Okay, so today we are going to learn about 5th grade writing homework, which is known as DWA, and that stands for Daily Writing Assignment. First thing I want you guys to do, put your first and last name and class code on your paper. Okay, so this packet will go home in your Friday folders every Friday. The top part kind of gives you a little summary of homework for the next week or what we're learning in class, and then usually there's a reminder. Friday the 10th, next Friday, your midterms are going to go home. So actually, you'll probably get your midterm at your parent-teacher conference. Okay, so next week we'll get those out. But at the bottom are your daily writing assignments, otherwise known as DWA. So it says complete each assignment on a separate sheet of paper, staple to this, and turn in. You probably noticed some notebook paper already stapled. This way, you have paper at home and you've got it ready to go. You can also, if you want, do the whole thing on your computer, print it out, and turn it in. That's another choice. So our topic this week is, Am I Doing My Best at School? Give specific examples, details about how you are doing your best. And then it says what you should do each night. So let's look at Monday. Make a brainstorming web or circle map to help you get ideas. So that's what we're going to do today. So turn to your first page. And our circle map we learned in class is the type of thinking map. You can do that, or you can do a web. So I'm going to do a circle map. So in the middle, I'm going to write my topic, Am I Doing My Best in School? And remember, I do a circle around my topic, and then I do a bigger circle for my ideas. This is just brainstorming, so it's not going to organize you. You're just going to get some ideas. What ideas do you guys have? Are you doing your best in school? What do you think? Say it?
You can go down by each subject and say how you think you're doing, if you're working hard in it, if it's easy for you, or if it's hard for you, or you do well.
Ah, okay. Andrew?
You can grade yourself by
Okay. So maybe going class by class, because maybe you're doing your best in reading, but maybe not math or something. Okay. So I'm also thinking about homework. You know, am I doing my homework? Do I have past due stamps? Am I missing work? So just take a couple minutes and brainstorm in a circle. Maybe think about your Friday folder, some of the work that comes home. Do you have a lot of redos? Are you following directions? Oh, magnets. Is magnet on green? a lot of ideas written down. So one thing to keep in mind, you might have some areas that maybe you're not doing your best on, and maybe you can think of some things that you could do better. And it's hard to be perfect all day long, isn't it? We all have things we can improve on. Nick, put that in your desk. Thank you. How do you know when you have all your ideas down? How do you know if you have enough? Ethan.
When it's all filled up.
Okay, so when you run out of room, maybe you have enough. Okay. I would say when you have a good amount of ideas. So, how long did this take us today? About how long did this take? Like 2 minutes?
Maybe 5 at the most.
Maybe 5. I've been recording for 8 minutes, but I also gave directions. So when you're doing this at home, the idea is that you do a little bit every day. So on Mondays, you would go home and you would just do your brainstorming. You could even set a timer for 5 minutes just to see how long that takes you. Yeah, Jack?
If you have something to do the next day or something, can you go ahead and
Yes.
keep working on it?
Yes. If you're like me and you know that you have sports every day after school, you could do the whole thing on a Saturday morning. Yeah. Yeah. What I don't want to hear, though, is that Jackson took 5 hours all weekend. All he did was the DWA. It shouldn't take 5 hours, okay? It should take 5 to 10 minutes every night. So no more than 50 minutes total. But I bet you could do the whole thing in 30 minutes or less. Yeah. So the other thing you could do, if you wanted to even do your circle map on the computer, you could get on PowerPoint or Microsoft Word and you could do that, or any other program. Zoe?
Can you do like the plan on a paper but do the typing on the computer?
Yes, you can. Okay.
When is this due?
You get it every Friday and it's due every Friday. So then you can decide, do I want to do the whole thing over the weekend? Do I want to do a little bit each night? But it's, that time management piece is up to you. Okay, so.
Would you like, if you're wanting to rewrite this, would you keep it with all the misspells or then bring it out with the misspells and then do the revising everything?
That would be a great way to do it. Yeah. Callan.
I'm having problems with it because, well, not like a problem with it, but, on Mondays and Tuesdays, I go to my mom's house and she doesn't let me use her computer really.
So maybe Mondays and Tuesdays, so maybe you just do the web and your outline by hand.
Okay.
Yeah, you could do part of it on a computer and part of it not.
And then also, Anna told me that, if we do it, so either we type it up or we do it on a piece of paper in cursive.
Yes.
So what I have to do in cursive?
If it was final copy, did I include cursive this year? If you don't know cursive, you can print it, because were you guys taught cursive? I don't know.
Not very long. You're very good.
Cursive, it's up to you, because cursive is kind of, it's kind of something of the past. So if you want to print it, it's okay.
Wait, okay.
Alright, guys, we have 2 more questions. I'm waiting. Yes, a pen was on your supply list, so it could be an erasable pen, though. Okay, that's up to you. Jackson.
So if we write a final copy, it has to be pen.
Yes.
Okay.
It could be erasable, though.
And then what happens if you accidentally make a mistake?
You can cross it out, or you can use white out.
Okay.
Yes. Alright, put this in your writing folder so we can go to Tuesday. We'll talk about tomorrow. And clear off your desk for specials.